In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit. We'll start by drafting a website idea with an AI helper, then build and publish it entirely in Replit. Open your browser and go to Google's Gemini app. In the chat, ask for a basic prompt you can use to create a website on Replit. When suggestions appear, choose the one that gives you a complete starting point. Look for a prompt describing a modern, responsive personal portfolio site with a navigation bar linking to About, Projects, and Contact, plus a welcoming hero section and mobile-friendly styling. Highlight that prompt and copy it so you can reuse it in Replit. Now head over to replit.com. From the dashboard, create a new project and select Web App. If you're asked for a template or language, the default HTML, CSS, and JavaScript starter is perfect here. Give your project a clear, memorable name, then create it. In the editor, open the AI or prompt input panel if it appears, paste the prompt you copied, and click Start to generate the project. Replit will set up files like index.html, style.css, and script.js, and wire up a responsive layout for you. Once generation finishes, click Run or open the preview so you can see the site on the right. If nothing shows, make sure index.html is your main file and the project is running. Scan the generated sections and update the hero text, About, Projects, and Contact content with your own details. Replace placeholder links and images, and adjust colors in style to match your brand. Save your changes and watch the preview refresh automatically. You'll see helpful onboarding tips in the workspace, such as make, test, iterate, and ask questions. Plan your work. Take a moment to read them. They reinforce a good workflow. As you edit, use the console to catch errors and make small, focused changes so it's easy to track what improved the page. When your site looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish, review the settings, and confirm. If you're prompted to choose visibility or a subdomain, pick what suits your needs and continue. You may see multiple confirmation steps. Keep clicking Publish until you get a success message and a live URL. Open that link in a new tab to verify everything loads correctly. Check it on both desktop and mobile to confirm the layout is responsive. If you need to tweak anything, return to your files in Replit, make edits, save